Hello everyone, John Gooderham here for the Cumberland Valley Visitors Bureau. Where am I? I'm in a natural feature in the southern corner of Cumberland County that I've been visiting for over 35 years. Some of the activities in this area include hiking, mountain biking, canoeing, and fishing. Where am I? I'm on the Steeple Trail in beautiful Pine Grove Furnace State Park.
Here at Pine Grove Furnace, the vegetation here is dense and abundant, and that is especially good for food source and cover for the local wildlife here. It's a cool little specimen we found, and we're going to let him go.
Hi, we're here at Steeple. I've come up here. I like to do a lot of photography. I like to take a look at the environment, see all nature as it is. Kind of nice, secluded away from civilization, as you can see. Got nothing but trees and good time up here. You should come and check it out sometime.
If you're coming to Steeple Trail, be sure to bring plenty of water, your camera gear, and a decent pair of hiking shoes. Follow the blue blazes as marked on the sign here, and you'll have a great time. Pine Grove Furnace State Park office has all the information you'll need for hiking and recreational needs to enjoy your visit. When you're visiting the Cumberland Valley, be sure to check out Steeple at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. It's an easy day hike and it offers spectacular views. For more information, visit our website at www.visitcumberlandvalley.com. We'll see you here.